Hello everybody. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 8. Verify a minus of minus b is equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. Right? Let us solve this problem. Number 1. Number 1. The value of a is given as a is equal to 21, a is equal to 21, b is equal to 18, b is equal to 18. Now we'll put the values in left hand side. Left hand side is equal to a minus of minus b, right? We put the value of a as 21 minus the value of b is 18, right? Therefore we are getting 21 minus into minus is plus 18. That means we are getting 39, right? Now we'll find the value on the right hand side. RHS is equal to a plus b, a plus b. That is we are getting the value of a is 21 plus the value of b is 18. Again we are getting 39. Then we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. Right? Now I will do question number 2. In question number 2 you see here the value of a is 118, 118, and the value of b is 125, which is equal to 125. Now left hand side is given as equal to a minus of minus b. Therefore is equal to, let us write in a proper way, this is equal to, right? The value of a is 118 minus of minus b is 125. Therefore we are getting 118 minus into minus is plus 125, right? 8 plus 5, 13, carry 1, 2 and 3, 4, 243. Right hand side is equal to a plus b, that is we are getting a is 118 plus b is 125. If we add it, we are getting 243. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. Now we'll solve question number 3. Now you see here question number 3 is Question number 3, the value of a is 75. The value of a is equal to 75 and the value of b is 84. Left hand side is equal to a minus of minus b, that is equal to a means 75 minus of minus b is 84, that is equal to 75 minus into minus is plus 84. If we add it, 5 plus 4 9, 8 plus 7 is 15, it is 159. Now let us take the value of right hand side. The right hand side is a plus b. Then we are putting the value of a as 75 and b as 84. We add again, we are getting 7 plus 5 plus 4 is 9, 8 plus 7 is 15, 159. Therefore we are getting, if you write in a proper way, it will be equal to, therefore we are getting that left hand side is equal to right hand side. hence verified. Hence verified. We'll solve question number 4. Here you see the value of a is given as 28 and the value of b is 11. Let us write in a proper way. This will be equal to a is equal to 28, b is equal to 11. B is equal to 11. Now left hand side is equal to a minus of minus b. That is, we are putting the value 28 minus of minus 11, or we are getting 28 minus into minus is plus 11. 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3, 39. And we put the value of right hand side, that is a plus b. Putting the value of a plus b, we are getting 28 plus 11, that is equal to 39. Both are same, that we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. Hence verified. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.